It seems like common sense that as a car gets older, it tends to get worse and worse gas mileage. While in reality, it's more accurate to say that poorly maintained cars are more likely to have worsening gas mileage. Today, we're talking about how to improve your car's fuel efficiency. Stick around because we've got some game-changing tips you don't want to miss. Let's get rolling. Tip 1. Maintain your tire pressure. First things first, check those tires. Underinflated tires can decrease your fuel efficiency by up to 3%. That's like throwing money out the window every time you drive. Plus, properly inflated tires last longer, so double win. Grab a tire pressure gauge, check your owner's manual for the recommended PSI, and keep those tires pumped up. Tip 2. Lighten your load. Next up, clean out your trunk. Carrying extra weight is like making your car do extra work. The heavier your vehicle, the more fuel it requires to move. For every 100 pounds of extra weight, fuel efficiency drops by about 1 to 2%. So unless you're driving cross-country with a full load, ditch the unnecessary stuff like tools, sports gear, or heavy bags can improve efficiency. Tip 3. Avoid idling. Turn off your engine if you're parked for more than a minute. Modern engines don't need to warm up, and idling burns fuel for nothing. Tip 4. Drive smart. Aggressive driving, like rapid acceleration and hard braking, can lower your gas mileage by up to 40% on the highway and 30% in the city. Smooth and steady wins the race here. Tip 5. Use the right fuel. Unless your car requires premium gas, stick to regular. Higher octane fuel won't improve performance. It'll just drain your wallet. Tip 6. Keep your engine tuned. A well-maintained engine runs efficiently. Follow your car's maintenance schedule for oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks. A dirty air filter or a faulty oxygen sensor can reduce fuel economy by up to 20%. Tip 7. Plan your trips. Short trips and frequent cold starts reduce fuel efficiency because the engine doesn't reach optimal temperature. Plan your errands to minimize starting and stopping. Combining trips and choosing less congested routes can help save time and gas. Tip 8. Reduce drag. Roof racks, cargo boxes, and even bike racks create wind resistance, especially at higher speeds. This added drag forces the engine to work harder. Remove these accessories when they're not in use to improve fuel economy, especially on highways. Tip 9. Use air conditioning wisely. Air conditioning can decrease fuel efficiency, particularly in stop-and-go traffic. At lower speeds, roll the windows down instead of using the AC. On the highway, keep windows up to reduce drag and use AC sparingly. Tip 10. Drive within the speed limit. Fuel efficiency generally peaks between 50 to 60 miles per hour. Driving faster than 60 miles per hour increases aerodynamic drag, which means your car uses more fuel to maintain higher speeds. By reducing your speed, you'll conserve fuel and avoid speeding tickets. Tip 11. Fill up smart. Fuel up early in the morning or late at night when temperatures are cooler. Gasoline is denser in cooler conditions, so you get more for your money. Tip 12. Use the correct motor oil. The wrong viscosity of oil can increase friction inside the engine. Using the manufacturer-recommended oil reduces friction, helping the engine operate more efficiently. Tip 13. Park smart. Parking in the shade keeps the cabin cooler, reducing the need to use air conditioning, which puts an extra load on the engine and consumes more fuel. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome tips, and share this with your fellow drivers.